Hey everyone! So today I'm showing you how to view your YouTube music listening history on both Android and iPhone. Whether you want to revisit your favorite tracks or just curious about what you've been listening to, this tutorial's got you covered. Let's get started. Alright, first thing you need to do is open the YouTube Music app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account, otherwise you won't be able to access your history. Now, you're going to tap on your profile icon. It's located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open up your account menu where you'll see a bunch of different options like settings, your channel, and more. Okay, now just tap on history. And boom, you'll see your complete listening history with all the songs, albums, and tracks you played recently on YouTube Music. You can scroll through and see everything you've listened to over time. Here's the thing. If you want to remove a specific song from your history, maybe something you don't want showing up anymore, just tap those three vertical dots next to that song. Then select Remove from History from the menu that pops up. It'll disappear from your history immediately, and YouTube Music won't track it anymore. And that's it! Super easy way to track and manage what you've been listening to on YouTube Music. If this tutorial helped you out, let me know in the comments below.